Today we're making this easy and delicious chocolate chunk banana cake. These are all of the ingredients you're going to need. So first off, you're going to take a 7 by 7 inch pan and grease and line it with a baking paper. Then add some cinnamon powder to your flour along with the baking powder and baking soda. And mix it all up. Set this aside. Now to your chocolate, add in some of the flour and mix it. This is to coat the chocolate so that it does not sink while baking. You can also skip the chocolates if you want to make a plain banana cake. Then you're going to take all of your bananas and mash them up. Make sure your bananas are ripe and spotty so that they mash easily. Mash them as fine as possible. Then you're going to set this aside. In a bowl, take your sugar and the butter. And beat this on high speed for 2 to 3 minutes till it is lighter in color and fluffy. That's the result you want. Then you're going to add in the eggs and beat those in for about 2 minutes. Then you can add in your bananas and the vanilla extract and beat them in. Let the bananas mix in properly. Then you're going to add in your flour and beat on very low speed just till it is nearly incorporated. And then you're going to stop and add in your milk. And then again beat on low speed just till the flour is incorporated, and you're going to stop. Make sure not to overmix the batter. And then you're going to switch to a spatula and mix in any remaining dry flour. Then add in your chocolate chunks and mix them in till they are evenly distributed throughout the batter. And then you can pour your batter in your prepared pan. Smooth it out evenly using your spatula. And then bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 55 to 60 minutes. A toothpick inserted in the cake should come out clean, and if it is wet, you can bake it for 10 more minutes or so. And then you're going to let the cake cool completely on a wire rack. And once it is ready to serve, you can remove it from the pan. Run a knife at the sides of the cake before lifting it out onto the tray. And slice the cake and enjoy! The texture of this cake is very moist because of the bananas, and the chocolate is melty and delicious and goes so well with the banana flavor. I love having it a bit warm because the chocolate just melts in your mouth. You can even add in some walnuts if you want to, though I really like my cake plain. I highly recommend you try this cake out.
So good.
I hope you enjoyed this recipe and make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with new recipes, and I'll see you soon with a new video. Bye!